Hey guys, so back with another quick video. Obviously, you guys know I have the NEXUS 6P. So for the OTG adapter, you have to switch it up to the ones that are what do you call it? The 3.0 USB-C type from regular USB. So this is what I got. It's called Fosmon. You can see that. Got it from Amazon. Hopefully that focuses for you. That's what it's called. You can pause it. Maybe that's better. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, that's better. So it costs like $7. There you go. Okay. So we're gonna hook this up to the NEXUS 6. So there's your USB. Got a 32 gig card here. Gonna plug it in. And plug it into the NEXUS. Plugs right in. And we'll go to the looks like drive transferring photos. Don't want to do that. We want to go file transfers. So now I can go to the USB stick, which is right here. And let's go to actually let me go back a second. Hold on a second. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to my movies folder. Oh, that's the wrong one. Hold on a second again, let me find it. Okay, I'm back. So I finally found the what do you call it? The folder that I was looking for, my movies folder on the memory stick. So there's my 32 gig Lexar hooked up to that USB to what's it called? USB to USB-C, right? Fosmon adapter goes to my 6P. And now here are all the different files. So let's go get hard. So now it's accessing everything from the stick, basically, right?
Something to relax. Drop this and let the whole world.
James, listen to me. The key to survival in prison.
Okay.
Strapped up.
And you can see it's working. So now we're gonna go back. Let's check out Southpaw. Start over, and it's accessing right there. Sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, so let's go back. Let's try one more. Let's go Wedding Crashers.
And what I've done wrong.
Oh, please don't take a turn to negative town.
What are you talking about? Who's getting negative?
What, the Buckner nuptials you were sitting...
Just don't say anything to my dad, though. Some friend of my sister's wasn't crying like a little girl.
She took a bike ride down to the beach.
So you can see that it's everything's working. Yeah, that's it. So that's this quick video showing that the adapter actually does work. Got it for $7. Let me find it for you one more time. Yeah, this is the one right here. Hopefully that focuses. Let me see. Let me flip my screen. Yeah, that's the one. Pretty cheap for $7. That's it, guys. Just a quick video.